We're here at the Dubai Air Show to talk about the creation of regional economic powerhouses. And there's a really great opportunity in Malaysia, as we're just about to find out. I'm here with Professor Nurazmi, who's the MD and CEO of Pahang Aerospace City. Professor,
yes, sir.
What is Pahang, where is it,
Right.
and why is it interesting?
Thank you so much, Mark. So Pahang is the largest state in the peninsula of Malaysia, facing South China Sea. It's on the east coast. It's one of the main key economic corridor on the east coast economic region. So why Pahang is very much is very key in terms of economic development is because it has the largest piece of land on the peninsula side. However, we rank quite on the what we call it lower tier in terms of the macroeconomic development to the state. Thus, the proposal or the intention or the vision to establish the newly developed Pahang Aerospace City that covers 12,364 acres of land, focusing purely on aerospace, space and aviation.
And you're here at the Dubai Air Show, which I believe is your launch, the first time we've seen Pahang. Why Dubai and why the UAE, sir?
Right, well, first I like the food over here, the weather as well. We have a lot of friends and allies over here, but the main key reason is one of our key strategic partner in which we'll sign off the deal with them on the 19th. That is K2, that is a UAE government-owned future technology company. We'll sign an MOU, a tripartite MOU with them on the 19th together with the University of Malaysia, Pahang of Sultan Abdullah. And we would like to capitalize the strong relationship between the state of Pahang and Abu Dhabi in developing and forefronting this project going ahead. The role of K2 in this whole project is to provide with the autonomous system, data centers, AI, hyperscalers to power up the whole city as a future city. Whereas University of Malaysia, Pahang, Sultan Abdullah is our strategic partner on technology depository. We have multiple verticals of the project. We have the airport by itself, we have the MRO component, we have a space city, 1,000 acres of it being allocated under the Malaysia Space Exploration Blueprint. We have advanced mobility park to focus on low altitude airspace economy, and of course at the end of everything we always have this AI and data center being developed. So in totality we have 6,255 acres of land, of industrial land to be developed, focusing on aerospace, space and aviation, and Abu Dhabi via K2 plays a pivotal role in this whole plans and project.
And Professor, you know, there's a lot of competition in this space.
Yeah.
Why are you going to stand out? What's your USP?
Yeah, well, basically, I mean, we have established the whole what we call it development to be the regional first multimodal omniport platform. What does it mean by omniport? Is the first to have ICAO 4E airport. That is our plan at the moment. While at the same time, the same infrastructure will also be used for hyperport operation in the future, for hypersonic aircraft, the likes of Sonic Boom, Destiners. We are talking to them at the moment. And then we're also looking at vertiports, advanced mobility park. We have a few local partners establishing their corridors for low altitude airspace operation. And of course, space. I'm a national subject matter expert of space industry. Back home, a space city is being established to host and facilitate for air launch and sea launch based operation. So these are the key value proposition of this whole aerospace city. That's why we did not call it as an aerotropolis, but rather an aerospace city, because it comprised of multiple multimodal logistical operations.
Well, Professor, we look forward to seeing how you get on in the next few years, also from the show as well. We wish you a lot of luck. Thank you for talking to Aviation Week Network.
Thank you, Mark. It's been a pleasure.